repair tonight. Got back one of the first epoxy trays I ever made. This is probably 5 years old. It fell, broke, and I'm going to use a couple of my favorite products, my speed tool clamps and some Starbond 5-minute epoxy to put this back together good as new. It's going to be the perfect use of the 4-way clamping action on these clamps to hold these pieces down and to hold them together. Check this out. The Starbond Heavy Thin. It's going to be the perfect product to fill this crack. It's thin enough to flow in and heavy enough that I can control it. Quick shot with accelerator. That heavy thin is going to fill that crack, give me some control, make that nice sealed edge. One of my first boards I ever made, all repaired. I built those crushed corners out of CA, rebuilt them. There's 1, 2, 3. Hard to tell, they were very crushed. I filled my original logo with CA to help make sure it didn't just disappear on us. Use some CA to help fill in this gap when there was one after using the 5-minute epoxy to reconnect the side that had broken.